Welcome Excel chicks. In this quick short, we are going to go over using the unique function for retrieving a distinct list from your data. I will go through examples here. And this formula or function was added with Microsoft Office 365 and Excel 2019. It's a pretty useful function, has a couple of limitations, probably some limitations I haven't even found out yet, but we're going to go through the formula so you have it as part of your tool belt. All right, so I'm going to start my function by the equal sign. I'm going to do unique. And the first part is the array, and that is my array of data that I want to include. So I'm going to select A, and then there was a couple of other options available here by column and exactly once. We don't need to use those because we are going to only be displaying one unique value for our row of data. So each item in here. So we want to see one pipe dream blue, one black, one espresso, one true navy, one dark red. All right, and we see that. So that was pretty easy. Now we see our color. So that was one way. Because we're not sorting this information, we can include the header. I probably recommend not doing this, but I did it for our example. So we could bold that header, but we can't sort this information. So that's a limitation. So this is how we would normally sort. So you can't change part of an array. But how we can create a sorted list, and we'll create this sorted list in alphabetical order. We can do that by sort of wrapping a sort function around the unique function. So let me first start by entering the unique function again so we can get practice here with this function. And you can see it brings back my list. So what if we do this sort, just add those parens, and so we wrap it. Now you can see that it has listed in alphabetical order. And the reason we did not include our header is because if we included our header, it would put it between black and dark red because it would sort it in alphabetical order. So we want to do our header, we can add it here. And then bold that. I would probably actually move it down here so it's more aesthetic. And there you go. That's how you return distinct list or unique values from a list of data in Excel. So like and subscribe and stay tuned for additional shorts. We'll be going over additional ways to return distinct values. Thank you. Until next time.